Step into our cutting-edge generator manufacturing facility in China, where innovation meets excellence. Our dedicated team of skilled engineers works with precision, designing and assembling advanced generators that power the future. Watch as our state-of-the-art production line brings rows of high-performance generators to life, each crafted with meticulous care and advanced technology. Each unit ensures reliability and efficiency, empowering homes and businesses across Bangladesh with sustainable power solutions for a brighter future.